Hello, folks. Welcome to my review of Dr. Loy's Understanding Cancer. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. They will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity because I know of many people who are earning, including myself, who are earning from this program. So click that first link in the description below. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. Hence, you become the middleman and you make the profit. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income, and this is crucial. It is a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5, it will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to make $186 in a day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes to run the entire system. Not only that, you receive it done for you, a converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's get back to Dr. Loy. Now, who is the vendor of this product? Well, it is Dr. Loy Puckett, MD. He is an ER physician with 27 plus years of experience, and he creates fresh premium medical content for every package under his name. In a nutshell, this is a PLR package of premium medical content for those who want to learn more about understanding cancer. Since it is a PLR, you can repurpose it to use virtually any way you want. Now, if you are in the health niche, or want to break into this billion-dollar industry, this quality medical PLR is for you. Now, what does it include? Well, it includes 10 professional premium quality medical content pieces, all with PLR. You can break the content down into smaller reports, use parts of it as your web content, or any way you would like to do it. You can format it, and that format has been kept at a minimum so that you can easily repurpose it in any way you see fit, and all the pieces are brand new, and it's supplied in 3 different formats: a doc, ODT, PDF, and a text doc. And it's all ready to be opened in Microsoft. So you get 10 premium medical content pieces. Each content piece has over 800 words. You get SEO instructions with each piece to help you, and you get images included with each content piece. Now here's a short message from Dr. Loy.
Hey, I'm Dr. Loy, and I've been an ER physician for 25 years, and I've taken care of patients with all kinds of medical problems. What I'm presenting to you today is premium medical content with private label rights. I'm completely involved with every bit of content that is created under my brand, Dr. Loy. I participate in the research, writing, and editing of every content piece, and it must pass my standards, so you can be assured that you will be receiving quality medical content. You're really going to appreciate this content, and I completely stand by it with my full 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee that this is the best health and wellness content that you'll find today. So be sure to get your copy at the special launch price. Enjoy.
The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is a premium medical content on understanding cancer with PLR for $16.97. And it increases $1 every 5 sales up to $22.97 and includes 10 medical content pieces. And there is a front-end bump for $9.97, which includes a 7-day email follow-up series. OTO1 includes 10 professional videos in 2 different formats, plus scripts and audio files, and that's for $29.97. OTO2 is a 2,500-word ebook package with PLR rights for $19.97. And OTO3 is a co-branding license that applies to the written content and videos, and that's for $67. Now you can watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you might get less content or a different product. Now if you want to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be sorry you did so. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.